Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Irfan Hussain. This is a new day and we are going to start a series of short lectures of new course that is Comparative Literature. As we are the students of literature, we know that whenever we study literature, we compare the different pieces of literature with one another. In fact, we do that kind of comparison in our daily life, in everything. We compare things with each other, we compare their quality, we compare their weightage, we compare data to find out, to manipulate results. And also, when we go for shopping, we compare different things with one another. We compare each article with some other article to find out what could be the best for us. So we do this kind of comparison, that can be general comparison, that can be an item to item comparison, and then finally decide what to buy and what not to buy. So always we have a very keen eye to find out the differences, similarities of the things, to find out whether the differences are acceptable or whether these differences are completely unacceptable in some way. So that all these things help us to decide. Also, as we know that we also see similarities, how much things can be similar to each other, similar or identical. And same approach is applied on reading as well. We have read plenty of extracts from different pieces of literature. Whenever we read, we do comparison. So whether it is a few books from various kinds of very genres of literature, or whether it is literature of the world, whatever we study, we definitely do comparison. Say for example, you have studied Greek literature, and in Greek literature you might have studied Sophocles, Homer and some other writers, and then on some later stage you must have come to Elizabethan age. It was 1558 to 1603, and in this period you studied Shakespeare, and there could be many other writers that would have studied in this period. And on some other later stage you came to modern literature, and you compared how Ibsen of the modern literature was different from Shakespeare of Elizabethan age, and you know how to compare what are the differences, the similarities between the British modern writers and American modern writers. So comparison always goes on, whether intentionally or unintentionally, whether you do it deliberately or without any deliberation. And when you apply some system, you can say when you do this job systematically, then it becomes the discipline of comparative literature that we are going to study in this course. So I hope to have a very good time with you. Thankful to all of you to listen for listening this video. So see you inshallah in the next video. Thank you.